Yeah. Boxed and exhausted, I breathe in the toxins. Lost in this nonsense, bed becomes the coffin. Victim of the system, suffer stress must be a symptom. Imprisoned in my consciousness, just staring out my window, wishing to be the answer to suppressing the rapture. Or drawn by banks and politics that plan pending disaster. Distracted by a 9 to 5, just slaving for the master. Can't even find the time to strive for dreams I'm chasing after. Capturing what matters, fitting in with rhythmic patterns. Letter from mental prison, sorrow by a dim lit lantern, informing those ignoring warnings written in these chapters. Within bars inflicting scars under the skin like cancer. But who am I? But one voice speaking aloud, shouting out the walls of this internal prison cell.
This isn't living well, sitting in this living hell. What's the difference between projects and a prison cell? How about a zealot and an infidel? And isn't hatred towards others a prison in itself? We're all prisoners, every last one of us. With the prison guards training their guns on us. If change is coming, then it's gotta come from us. Creator up above, how do we adjust to the coming storm? I see the clouds as they form. The children of the corn, born not to conform to those in uniform. That's fairy tales like unicorns. We can't stop, won't stop. Matter of fact, we do it more. Who can rescue me and save me from myself? Or do I have the keys to free me from this prison cell?
Life in the box, doing time in the projects. Lost in the prison industrial complex. Victim of recidivism, ain't no individualism. Treated like an inmate, even out the prison system. Giving wisdom but refusing to help. Yes, the land of opportunity for those with the wealth. And there's keys in the breeze, I can make a few G's. And with Chopper locked up, I ain't asking a thing. Fucking with my livelihood, I will commence to getting off. I failed school, but I can spell Kalishnikov, unaware of problems. Couple decades from Contra. All I know is AKs cost me $700. Descending of a zoot suit. All I know is shoot, shoot, big guns. I graduated from Deuce Deuce.